हमारा विजडम इज सरस्वती लक्ष्मी दुर्गा का मिश्रण, विच इज एकेडमिया, वेल्थ क्रिएशन एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ पावर कमिंग टुगेदर। तो आप सिविल मिलिट्री तो छोड़ दो, दिस वॉज आर इंटीग्रेशन। ये आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कहाँ से आई? दे हैव कम फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न प्रिसेप्ट, सिविल मिलिट्री ड्यूअल यूज। माई क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डिड वी अडेप्ट टू देम विदाउट थिंकिंग? देखिए ड्यूअल यूज क्या है। सिलिकॉन वैली 10 years back told Pentagon कि we will not do business with you because if we give our good technologies to you, you will make them evil. Military. और उन्होंने क्या किया? They shared those same technologies with Chinese companies, commercial companies. And Chinese commercial companies were mandated by law to share them with the PLA. So height of foolishness of Western liberal thinking, where you were where you were denying technology to your own military, but giving it to the PLA. Now many of those things we have adapted. मैंने ये term सुने, dual use. China क्या करता है? So let me go before that. I've given you one of this Saraswati Lakshmi Durga mission. What is Samdam Dand Bhed? Sam Dam Dand Bhed in the national security foreign policy dimension is national interest by means fair or foul. Fair or foul. That means dual use is a pack of nonsense. जहाँ तक national interest की बात आती है, हर हालत में होगा. That should have been our thing. We didn't do it. Because we see what the Chinese did. They adapted every modern Western military practice. Every modern military. So their economic zoom has also converted into a military getup. But they never made the mistake of taking out Sun Tzu and Confucius from this narrative. They never forgot their civilizational wisdom. हमारे यहाँ भी चाणक्य has said, अगर शास्त्र को भूलोगे तो अपनी संस्कृति खो दोगे, पर अगर शस्त्र का त्याग करोगे तो राष्ट्र भी खो दोगे. He was saying, re-tap into your civilizational wisdom and sensibly position your instrument of force in your strategic calculus. How wise. So I keep saying India is not just a land of spiritual thinkers. It is a land of hard-nosed realists like Chanakya. हम उसको भूल गए. और मैं भी इंडियन आर्मी में हूँ. We went to these Western institutions where we were told Clausewitz. Clausewitz says trickery, deception, these are instruments of the weak. बुज़दिल करते हैं. Sun Tzu says they are instruments of choice. I suspect the Indian thinking is closer to Sun Tzu than to Clausewitz. ये चीज़ है. And just two more points. Z says, why build walls of granite between cylinders of excellence? Civil military cylinders of excellence, उसमें आप एक दीवार खड़ी कर देते हैं. Why? So they go and create what is called the poster child of military civil fusion, a thing called China State Shipbuilding Corporation. It's a very good example. It has 4 tiers. 2 tier जो हैं ostensibly they service the PLA, army. और बाकी 2 tier commercial हैं. तो West thinks कि ये PLA है और ये commerce है. Actually they are all integrated. Whatever capital and technology comes in the commerce is given to PLA. आराम से. Therefore, the Chinese State Shipbuilding Corporation today is not only powering global commerce, it has also made China the largest navy in the world. 500 ship navy, the largest in the world. और इतनी tonnage बनाई है commercial tonnage that in 2024 they produce more tonnage than the Americans have produced since World War II. Mind-boggling. In response, the Americans have now woken up and have taken shipbuilding directly under White House. And yet they are falling short, and they find that they have killed their own expertise in shipbuilding, and they are now doing a deal with the South Koreans. China may, if you are the owner of a private ship, I will tell you, the PLA will approach you and say, आपकी जो ship है ना, ये जो लोगों को घुमाती है, what are those called? Cruisers and all, luxury. इसमें आप जगह छोड़ दीजिए, अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो यहाँ पे ये मिसाइल्स लगेंगी, यहाँ पे गन्स लगेंगी, जगह छोड़ दीजिए. तो आप कहेंगे मैं क्यों करूं? द कॉस्ट डेल्टा इज बोर्न बाय द PLA. तो आप क्यों नहीं करेंगे? लुक हाउ इट इज कॉमन सेंसाइज्ड. दिस इज मिलिट्री सिविल फ्यूजन. AI की आज बात हो रही है. Look at their clarity in AI. In AI they have said civil domain में there will be regulation because Z wants to know आप भाई आप CCP के अगेंस्ट तो नहीं लिख रहे हैं कुछ because of some surveillance. But if you are doing AI in the strategic military space, unregulated, to win the strategic military competition. Now they are two different views of life. आउटलुक का सवाल है. जब तक ये कल्चरल चेंज नहीं आएगा आप ये करते रहेंगे. मिलिट्री स्ट्रक्चर, सिविल स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज स्टूपिड. We need civil military fusion, but once we understand the deeper thought,